blow your mind. Ain't worried about a goddamn thing over here, but you out of here for being a fucking faggy. You out of here for being a fucking faggy. Boom. 05. I got shotgun slugs with your name on it. Slugs, not pellets. Slugs. Straight up, dude. You five me? Do you five me? Do you really five me? Do you really five me? Or are you just saying that you five me just so that I'll let you see five cesspools? Are you really fiving? Hey, by the way, if anyone you on this live stream wants to buy a dirt bike, we have a dirt bike for sale. I'm about to show you guys. And I got a dirt bike trailer for sale. Get out. I gotta go out looking from the outside. Hold up, though. About to show you guys a dirt bike for sale and a dirt bike trailer. You'll be alright. It's a kid's dirt bike, but it's a good dirt bike, dude. It needs a motor mount bolt.
Nigga, don't act like a bitch. That's why I don't got love for bitch. Oh, that's why Too Short need 40 say bitch. So homie, please don't marry that bitch.
Don't do it.
And that's
Don't
why
holler at
I'll
'em.
never be
See me, I get everything I want to get. I have some fun with it and make her mama trip. Cause if I'm in her life, it's a problem. A real player's at your girl, you better stop him. Turn your back on the bitch, she ain't acting right. He hit it way before you, now he's back in her life. What you gonna do when you lose her? She got a nigga on the side just to use her.
Feel free to download this video and use it and re-upload it onto your channel.